Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean, maintain and calibrate, or also known as dial in, your Mazzer coffee grinder. Now I'll be using the Mazzer Mini D coffee grinder for the purposes of this video. However, the principles in this video will apply to most Mazzer grinders. Firstly, ensure the grinder is completely disconnected from the electrical power point. Next, remove the bean hopper by unscrewing the locking screw and then lifting the bean hopper out of the way. Empty any remaining coffee beans by tilting the grinder on its side. Next, remove the limiting screw on the adjusting collar. And then unscrew the adjusting collar and upper burr carrier assembly by rotating clockwise. This will then give necessary access to the grinding burrs. To make life easier later, using a large flathead screwdriver, back off the 3 screws which secure the burr to the upper burr carrier. Using a cleaning brush, remove as much coffee grind residue from the burr. Then remove all 3 screws, and this will free up the burr and allow easier access for cleaning. Using the cleaning brush, remove any coffee grind residue from the upper burr carrier also. At the same time, thoroughly clean the grinding burr. And with a cleaning cloth, clean up any finer residue in both the upper burr carrier and grinding burr. Now it's time to focus on the lower burr section. Using a vacuum cleaner or compressed air, clean up any coffee grind residue in that lower burr area. Using a ring spanner, secure the middle bolt and back off and unscrew the 3 screws which secure the grinding burr to the lower burr carrier. This will free up the lower grinding burr. Again, using a vacuum, clean up any coffee grind residue. Now using a blunt knife, clean up any residue which may still be stuck to the lower burr carrier. Be careful though not to damage or scratch any of the surfaces. Now with the cleaning brush, begin to clean up the discharge chute. Be careful though, as there is a mesh on the other side which is quite delicate and can be easily damaged. At the same time, clean up the lower grinding burr and prepare it for reinstallation shortly. Now unscrew the 2 screws which secure the coffee discharge outlet protector, and this will provide us with really good access to the other side of the discharge chute. Again, be very careful when cleaning as the mesh is quite delicate. Clean the inside of the discharge chute before refitting the discharge outlet protector. Next, remove the 3 springs which tension the upper burr carrier. Clean up the surrounding area of any coffee grind residue. Additionally, clean the threads which engage the adjusting collar. It's important to clean all coffee grind residue here as it will make reassembly much easier. Refit the 3 springs and then refit the lower grinding burr. Then we can refit the upper grinding burr to the upper burr carrier also. Similarly, with the adjusting collar, clean the threads of all coffee grind residue. Then, using a food-safe lubricating grease, grease the threads. I'm using the Inox MX6 food-safe grease, and this will allow the adjusting collar to be smoothly operated when adjusting the coffee grind size, and also help prevent any seizing due to metal-on-metal contact. Fit the upper burr carrier to the grinder body, and then screw in the adjusting collar by rotating it anti-clockwise. I first rotated clockwise to help find the thread before beginning to screw in, and this helps reduce the risk of cross-threading. Screw in the adjusting collar as much as you can and then back it off slightly. Now we will have to dial in or calibrate the adjusting collar. Do this by plugging in and activating the grinder. Slowly rotate the adjusting collar anti-clockwise, that is to a finer grind setting, until you hear the burrs start to touch each other. Once they start to touch, stop and then back off the adjusting collar. We have now dialed in the adjusting collar and can re-screw the limiting screw. Next, reattach the bean hopper and locking screw. Finally, test the grinder by grinding some coffee beans. You should have a nice clean grinding sound and a smooth, consistent flow of ground coffee. So there you have it. That is how you can thoroughly clean, maintain and dial in your Mazzer coffee grinder. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.